everyone. As I told you that I am going to launch series of interviews of students of IITK so that you can get specific information regarding various specializations of IIT. So on the first episode, we have Himanshu Gulati with us, who did his MTech in Power Engineering from IIT Kanpur. Hi Himanshu.
Hi Khushbu.
So, how are you? What's going on?
Yeah, I am good, Khushbu. How are you?
I'm good too. Are you working from home or from office?
Well, my company is not allowing me to work from home. So yeah, I am in Delhi and I am working in the
All
office only.
right.
Yeah, so that's a bad part. I'm okay.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss about mainly your interview experience. So can you please just
Yeah.
introduce yourself for our audience?
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone. My name is Himanshu Gulati, and I have been a student in IIT Kanpur. I passed out in 2020 in Power Engineering. I was an MTech student there. Right now, I am working in a company named Solar Energy Corporation of India. So yeah, that's a brief about me.
Okay. So now let's start with the interview day. What was the environment around? Can you just describe it?
Yeah, sure. So firstly, let me tell you about that day. Let me tell you about my rank. My rank was 679. I appeared in GATE in 2018, right? So let me tell you about the statistics of the interview day. So I remember 300 students were called for the interview, and around 120 to 130 were present. And out of that, 48 were selected, and 26 were there in the class at last. Okay, so that was the scenario. That was the statistic, right? So about the environment, you will be asked to sit in a conference room, but as most of the interviews today would be online only, so that doesn't matter. So we were asked to be sit in an interview room, and we were asked one by one. So basically, there were three panels. So that was the that was whole one day environment in the interview.
Okay. Now let's talk something about your interview experience. My means, can you just tell what were the questions that you were asked and like that?
Yeah, sure. So, firstly, let me tell you about, as I told you, there were three panels that day, and each panel had 2 to 3 professors. So, in the power engineering in IIT Kanpur, it is bifurcated into the two main domains. The one is the power systems, and the second one is the power electronics. Okay, so in
Okay.
all the three panels, there were one professor from each of the domain, and apart from that, one ad hoc teacher was also there. Right. So that was the scenario of the interview. Now coming to the experience, as I remember, my interview was around of 30 to 35 minutes. And in
Oh.
the first 5 minutes, there were just general questions like from where I am and my job experience, as I had experience also. So that was that. And then after that, for the 30 minutes, firstly, they asked me about the subjects that I have prepared. Right. So I told them electrical machines and power electronics. Okay. So that's a really important part, that which subject you choose and you tell them. As in my case, I think I did mistakes because I was not prepared for the machines, but I told them in hurry. Right. So for like out of 30 minutes, for around 20 minutes, questions were from machines only, and for 10 minutes, there were questions from power electronics. Okay. So in the machines, as I remember, the questions were basically from the DC machines, DC series, and DC shunt motor and generator characteristics. They told me to draw all the characteristics, right? And the questions were also from the transformer, the equation derivations, and the phasor diagrams. So these are the questions from the machines in the 20 minutes. And after that, in the power electronics, firstly, they asked me about the thyristor and its characteristics. And then the second question was from the rectifiers and all the wave diagrams of the rectifiers. But yeah, they can also ask about MOSFET, because MOSFET is a very hot area to for the professors in IITK. So just be prepared for the devices part of the power electronics also. That's really important. Yeah. So that was all the technical part, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, I must say you remember a lot of things. I mean, it's been long since you gave interview. Still, nice,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
It was
Thank
a
you.
detailed description. Good. So this was all about before getting into IIT. Now let's discuss something what after getting into IIT. Can you please tell something about your MTech experience at IIT-K?
Yeah, sure. MTech at IIT was a really beautiful part, I must say. Yeah, firstly, I tell about the academically, and then I'll come to the cultural part. So, yeah, academically, in IIT-K, the MTech is really rigorous. For the first year, you have to do the coursework. And then after that, for the next year, you have to do the thesis work. But in MS, it is not like this. In MS, for the first 6 months, the coursework is there. And then after that, you have to do research work for the 2 years, right? So so yeah, experience was really good. Academically, professors are really good if you pay attention. Their world class teachers are there, right? And now coming to the non academic part, the IITK campus is really beautiful. You will have a lot of enjoyment there, like till 2 a.m. if lockdowns get lifted up and you go into the campus. So it's a really really beautiful experience. So yeah, that's it.
And can you, I have heard that there are two sections in IITK. Means, can you put some light on that? What is power electronics and power systems like that?
Yeah, sure. In the power electronics, let me tell you the number of teachers. In power electronics, there are three main teachers, and in power system, there are 4 to 5 teachers. Okay. So as I was from the power electronics, when you are into the thesis work, you have to do the hardware. Okay. So in the power electronics generally works in the three areas. I'll tell you in the future prospects also. It generally works into the three areas. One is the high power, the second is the low power, and the third one is the renewables. Okay. And fourth one is also there, that is machines. Okay. So high power and machines are the saturated ones, and these basically consist of the gate syllabus. Okay. So when you are into the MTech, you are doing something very new, and the saturated part is totally gone. Okay. So in the low power electronics and in renewables, there is a lot of future. And yes, and I believe that IITK is doing really well in these two areas.
Okay. Good. Now, can you throw some light on future prospects of power engineering and what is the placement scenario at IITK for power engineering students?
Yeah, sure. So as I told you, that in the future prospects, if I talk about the power engineering, basically, power system is most of the coding part is done is there in the power systems, right? And in the power electronics, we have to do the hardware. So if you look for like, if you want to have your hands dirty in the work in the electronic circuits, you should go to the power electronics. Okay. But if you are good at coding, then power system is the area nowadays. Okay. So yeah, but both are growing really really fast. In as I told you, in power electronics, low power electronics and renewables is on the boost in the market. Okay. So yeah, that's all about the future prospect. India is growing definitely. Jobs are there. If I talk about the jobs, jobs are there. Like I remember, I think 90% of the students were placed in my class, and the companies are there, like Max Linear, one company is there, and Eton is there, Delta is there. So yeah, companies are coming, but yeah, not all the students were placed in the power only. There were students that went to VLSI. There were students that went to software. 2 to 3 were in the software also, but mostly were in the power only. So yeah, jobs are there. At least at my time, jobs were there. But yeah, it depends upon the industry also.
Yes. So Himanshu, what will be your tips for all the students who have applied for power engineering? How they should prepare for interview? Can you tell?
Yeah, sure. So, as I was telling you in the interview experience, I think the most important part is choose your subjects wisely. Okay. So, and prepare them well. That's really important. Like in my case, I chose machines and power electronics. So, you have to choose them in the order wisely, right? So, that's one tip. Second, year it depends upon the panel. Like in my case, the panel was basically asking questions from control machines and electronics only. Okay, but yeah, in the other panel the questions were basically from the buck converter. Okay, and some transmission line was also there. The questions from transmission line was also there, right? So it depends upon the panel. So as I told you, there were 3 panels. Okay, so and the next most important thing is that be confident about your interest in MTech. So they will definitely ask you this question, that whether you are interested in MTech or not. Okay, so they also know that many students look for PSU jobs only. Okay, so that's all. And now the next important point is prepare your BTP, that is BTech project. They might ask question from that also. If it is relevant, then definitely they will ask the question from that. And now coming to that, how to prepare for the interview. Let me tell you that GATE is an objective exam, but interview tests your subjective knowledge. It is not only the objective, right? So we also need to know the significance of certain things and not only the formula and all those things. So it's a subjective knowledge, right? So for my tip that in that would be that if there is a particular topic, then you will have to do this to find the significance of that on the YouTube or maybe on Google or in the books also. So yes, just prepare for your subjective knowledge rather than the objective knowledge. That's really important.
Yeah, true. I agree.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Himanshu, for sharing so precious knowledge and tips. I hope aspirants will find this useful.
Yeah, definitely. I hope so. And all the best to everyone for appearing interview appearance. Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you.